Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Today our subject is grammar. We have started revision. Revision of lesson number 3. Doing words. Okay children? So are you ready? Yes? Very good. So see now learning points. What we will do today? We will learn doing words. Yes, today we will learn doing words. Understood? Yes. Now see. P-L-A-Y. Play. You are also playing, no? So play is a doing word. So, see the picture? Yes, see these children. These children all are playing. P-L-A-Y. Play. See, children are playing in the garden. Children play in the garden. See, different rides they are doing. See, one is swinging, one is taking slide. All the children are playing. Children play in the garden. Okay. Now we will learn next word. So, write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Write is also a doing word. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Write is a doing word. So, see here. Yes. This boy is writing. Boy, write. Boy, write. So, you are also writing at home, no? Writing your homework in your fair book. Yes. So, W-R-I-T-E. Write. Here the boy is writing. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Right. Okay, children. Have you understood these two words? Very good. Now see next word. Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. Now see the picture. Yes. See your mother. Mother is cooking. Mother is cooking food. Mother cook. Mother cook. Okay children? Cook. Mother cook. See? She is cooking in the kitchen. She is there in the kitchen. Okay? Now see next word. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Now you want to see the picture? Very good. I will show you picture. Yes, see the baby. Baby cry. Girl cry. C-R-Y. Cry. You are also crying when you don't get your toys. So, C-R-Y. Cry. See here the picture. Girl is crying. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. See here tears are coming out of her eyes. Girl cry. Understood? Girl cry. Okay. Now we will learn other word. Now see. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. You want to see the picture now? Yes. See the picture. Fish. It is a fish. There is a water. Okay. Fish swim. Fish swim. Fish swim in water, no? So it is a swim is a doing word. What fish is doing? Yes. Fish is swimming. swim. Fish, swim. Fish, swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Okay, children? Now see next word. You want to see? Fly. See the word F-L-Y. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Which word is this? Fly. Can you tell me fly word? Very good. Birds fly. Where birds fly? In the sky. Very good. This is revision. So you all are knowing. Now you want to see the picture? Yes, here. Very good. You all told me, no? Birds fly. Bird fly. See, this is a bird. Bird fly. Where bird fly? Very good. In the sky. Bird fly. Bird fly. F-L-Y fly. What does bird do? Bird fly. Okay. So fly is a doing word. Very good. Fly is a doing word. What the bird is doing? Bird is flying. Birds fly. Okay, children? Very good. Now see. Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. See, here's the spelling. You know who is barking. Who barks? Which animal bark? B-A-R-K. Bark. Very good. You all are knowing. Dog bark. You want to see the picture? See, I will show you picture. See the dog. Dog bark. Dog bark. Dog bark. Okay, children? Yes. Now I think you all are knowing this. Yes. You want to see next word? Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. See the picture stand? Yes. See this girl. Girl stand. Girl is standing. So stand is doing word. Okay, in the picture girl is standing. Girl is not sleeping. Sleep is also a doing word. Here stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Girl stand. Okay, children? Girl stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. What is girl doing? Girl is standing. Very good. Now see. These words tell what the people and animals are doing. We have seen the words, no? Play, bark, stand, cry. We have seen many words. So, all these words tell us what the people and animals are doing. Okay? So, they are called doing words. They are called doing words. So now see, doing words are also called action words. Doing words are also called action words. Doing words are action words also. Understood, children? See now this. These words mean we have learned the words, no? Stand, cry, play. Yes. Which words we learned today? Very good. You all have seen the words and that picture also. So, all the words tell us what the people and animals are doing. What they are doing? They tell us. So, they are called doing words. What are they called? They are called doing words. Now see, doing words are also called action words. Yes, we can tell doing words that they are action words also. See, they all are doing action now. What is the dog doing? Dog is barking. So it is action word. It is also a doing words. Understood, children? Very good. So I hope now you all have understood. This is your revision. So you all will be understanding this. Now see. See now question. Exercise we are doing. Circle the doing words in the sentence. Circle the doing words in the sentence. Now we have to find first which is doing words. Okay? And then we have to circle. Now see number A. First sentence A. I drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink water. I drink water. What I do? What I am doing? So answer is getting no drink. The action is drinking. So drink is a doing word. What is drink? Doing word. I drink water. So which we have to circle? Yes, we have to circle this word, drink. Drink is a doing words. Okay, children? I drink water. See now number B. My sister sleeps on the bed. My sister sleeps on the bed. So what is sister doing? Can you tell me? Very good. Sister is sleeping. Sleeps. So sister is sleeping. Doing means sleeping. What sister is doing? Sister is sleeping. So sleeps is an doing word. Very good. So where we have to circle? B. Yes. My sister sleeps on the bed. So circle is, where we have to circle? Sleeps. So sleeps is a doing words. Okay, children? My sister sleeps on the bed. Understood? My sister sleeps on the bed. So now we all will do other exercises also. Okay, children? See now, next slide. See. He plays football. He plays football. Now you all know which is action words. Very good. Plays is action word. So we have to circle plays. He plays football. So where we have to circle? Plays. Plays is an action words. Very good. Now see D. Mother bakes cookies. Mother bakes cookies. So what mother is doing? Baking. Yes, bakes. So bakes is an action word. Bakes is a doing word. So where we have to circle? Where? Very good. We have to circle bakes. B-A-K-E-S. Bakes. Bakes is a doing word. Very good. Okay, now see next sentence. The green frog hops in the pond. The green frog hops in the pond. So what is the green frog doing? What is the green frog doing? Very good. Green frog is hopping. So hops is a which word? Very good. Doing word. So where we have to circle? Hops. The green frog hops in the pond. So hops is a doing word. Okay, children. Now see number F. Father drives a car. Father drives a car. What is father doing? Very good. Driving, drives. So which word is action word? Which word? Drive. So where we have to circle? Drives. Father drives a car. So we have to circle drives. Okay. Father drives a car. Understood, children? See here, hops, drives. They both are doing words. Okay? Very good. Now you want to see next words? Yes. See now. Fill in the blanks with the words from the bracket. See, we have to do words from the brackets. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the words from the bracket. We have to write down the words. Words are given here. She with a pen. What we do? Likes or writes? She likes with a pen. She writes with a pen. So what we have to do? With what we pen do? What we do with a pen? Yes, we write, no? So two options are given here. So which options we have to take? She writes with a pen. W-R-I-T-S, writes. So what I have to write here? Very good. She writes. W-R-I-T-E-S, writes with a pen. Two action words are given. We have to fill in the blanks with one word. Okay. Two action words. We have to write any one action words in the blank and we have to fill it. Understood? She writes with a pen. Very good. Now number B. The wind reads or blows. The wind, what will come? Reads or blows? The wind, yes, very good. The wind, B-L-O-W-S, blows. Wind is blowing, no? It is not reading. Wind is reading. Wind can blow. So, the wind blows. B-L-O-W-S, blows. Understood, children? See, read again. Fill in the blanks with the words from the bracket. Fill in the blanks with the words from the bracket. She writes with a pen. Number B is the wind blows. B-L-O-W-S, blows. Okay, very good. Now see number this sentence. Hemant eats, plays. Two options are given. The guitar. Hemant eats or plays? Hemant, very good, plays. Hemant plays the guitar. Guitar is an instrument which can be played. Yes, it cannot be eaten. So, Hemant plays the guitar. So, plays is the correct answer here. It is an action word. Which action he is doing? Playing, plays. Hemant plays the guitar. Okay. Now see this D. A bird builds or grows. A bird, a nest. A bird builds a nest. Very good. It can build, makes. Okay. A bird builds a nest. A bird, it cannot grows. It can build. B-U-I-L-D-S, builds a nest. A bird builds a nest. Very good. Now see, a seed dash into a plant. A seed into a plant grows or reads. Very good. A seed grows into a plant. No, this you are learning, no? A seed, what will be the answer? Very good. Grows. A seed grows into a plant. A seed grows into a plant. Okay. Now see number F. A cow bakes or eats grass. A cow, then there is a blank, grass. A cow eats grass. Very good. A cow, E-A-T-S, eats grass. A cow eats grass. See, there are two describing words. From that you have to select the correct describing word to make the sentence complete. Okay? Understood, children? Yes. Now, see. A baker bakes or builds. A baker bakes cakes. A baker bakes cakes. A baker bakes cakes. Understood? A baker bakes cakes. Baker don't build. It bakes. Yes. So correct word is bakes. A baker bakes a cakes. Now see number. Last. See the H. Father, the newspaper in the morning. Father, what father will do? Reads or makes? Two words are given, no? So, father reads or makes the newspaper. What we do with a newspaper? Very good. We read newspaper, no? So, father reads the newspaper in the morning. See again this sentence. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. Father reads the newspaper in the morning. Okay, children? You all are doing nice. Yes. Now see. Fill in the blanks with correct doing words. See what we have to do here. Fill in the blanks with correct doing words. See the words are given here. Roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. Shrine. BARK, bark. SWIM, swim. CRAWL, crawl. CHIRP, chirp. Roar, shine, bark, swim, crawl, chirp. Now see, lions. Okay, lions. Which correct doing words will come here? What lions do? What lions do? Roar, shine, bark, swim, crawl, chirp. So lions, do you know what lions do? Lions roar. See here, it is given, no? ROAR, roar. Lions roar. Okay? Now fish. FISH, fish. What fish do? We have learnt. No? Yes, in the slides only we did. This lesson only we did. What fish do? Fish swim. So, fish swim. SWIM, swim. See this word? Swim. Number C, babies. BABIES. What babies do? How they walk? Small, small babies. You have done, no? This is your revision. So you will be knowing. Babies crawl. 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 Babies crawl. Very good. Number D. Birds. 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 What birds do? Very good. Birds chirp. 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 Birds chirp. Okay? Birds chirp. Dogs. What dogs do? DOGS. 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 Very good. Dogs bark. BARK. Dogs bark. Very good. Dogs bark. Stars. See now stars. 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 Stars shine. They shine in the sky, no? So stars, what stars do? Shine. 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 Okay, children? See now again we will read this so that you will be understanding. Fill in the blanks with correct doing words. Roar, shine, bark, swim, crawl, chirp. Okay? So now lions. Lions roar. Lions roar. 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 Fish swim. Fish swim. 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 Babies crawl. Babies crawl. 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 Babies crawl. Birds. BIRDS. Birds chirp. 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 Birds chirp. Dogs. DOGS. Dogs bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars shine. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. I hope now you all have done this. Okay, revision. Now you all have to learn this. Okay, children? Do your homework. Do revision of lesson number 3. Describing words. Okay, do revision. See this. Okay. Yes, from that